Hello everyone, so I'm very excited to tell you that I am here with Stephen Norman. Now, he was the MD at Vauxhall, but he started his career at British Leyland. Now, he has some lovely things to say about our MG that we have here.
Well, I do, and perhaps before I do that, I can say why I feel able to talk to you with some authority about MGs. Well, first of all, I worked for British Leyland from 1976 till 1995, and I must be one of the few people in the UK motor industry who visited the Abingdon factory in the 1970s when they were manufacturing MG Midgets down one line and MGB Roadsters like this one and MGB GTs down the other line. And I remember going up the outside steps into the offices in the Abingdon factory, and I very much regretted in 1980 when, of course, the MG stopped production in Abingdon and all of this became history. And the second reason I want to talk to you about this today is that I've actually owned 5 of these cars. And just in case you think I'm shooting a line, I will try to remember the registration number. So my first MG was an MG Midget 1500, left-hand drive, Californian specification, PVC 857R. And that I bought when I was working for British Leyland in the 1970s. My second was an MGB GT, XON 666T. 666, you will know, signifies the devil. Yes. And this was the car that British Leyland gave to me when I got married, because I actually got married in an MGB GT in 1979. Oh wow! My third MG was an MGB GT V8. Lovely. LFM988P. I very much regret having sold it. And today I still own an MGB Roadster, and I won't tell you what the registration number is because I'm still running with it. Now, I happen to be in Bridge Classic Cars today because I'm a customer, regular customer here. I believe the quality here is second to none in the United Kingdom. And I happen to come across this 1970 or 1971 MGB Roadster. And I have to say, I have rarely seen an MGB in such beautiful condition. Probably the original condition was already very good, but the work that Bridge Classic has done on it is obviously to the highest possible order. Now, I'm not nostalgic because, as I've just said, I actually have one of these cars, but if I didn't have one, I think I would be very, very happy to own this particular example, especially as it is in fact a chrome bumper, whereas mine is a rubber bumper. So I don't know who the owner is. You haven't wanted to tell me, and I guess that's normal. But whoever it is, congratulations, sir, congratulations, madam, and I wish you very, very many years of happy motoring at the wheel of this beautiful classic car.